Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is the Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with this series on HTML. So today we will see table tag. We will create one table. So in this table tag we will see these all tags. First we will see th tag. So th tag is short for table head and used to designate a cell as a column header in a table. Second, tr tag is defined for creating a row. Td tag is defined for creating column. Then we will see caption tag. This caption tag will be a caption for a table. And then we will see t head tag. T head tag is a head of the table. And last we will see body tag. So we will write information of tables in a body tag, t body tag. Okay, so let's go to our Sublime Text and let's first save our file. Let me type HTML syntax and let me give the title as a lesson 6. Okay, so in the body tag, first we will create one table. So as you can see, the whole code has arrived. So this is a beauty of Sublime Text Editor. That's why I'm preferring this Sublime Text Editor. Okay, so let's first give the caption of our table. So I will give it as a school management, and here is a t head tag, and in the t head tag we have one row, and in the row we have one these columns. So in the column, first I will write index, in the second column I will write name, and in the third column I will, what should I write? I will write here class. Okay, so let me write class. And so this is our head of our table. So these are the headers of our table, and then I will type data, okay, in the table. So first I will type index as a 1, then I will type name as a horse. Okay, so let me type horse, and then I will type its class. So horse is in 10th class. Okay, so I will write 10th. Let me create another row. So let me type tr tag, and in the first column I will type 2, in the second column I will type Vasu, and in the third column I will type 10th 12th. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so we have created this table. So let's save this first and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our table is ready. Here school management is our caption of the table. Index, name and class are the headers of our table, and it is the information of the table. Okay, so let's change some alignments. Let me add borders in the table. So first I will change school management. I will convert into h4 tag. Okay, let me change school management into h4 tag. Okay, so put school management into h4 tag, and let's change some attributes of table. So I will add border, and I will put value as a 2. Okay, you can put it 1, 3, etc. Okay, let me align it in the center. You can also write right or left. Okay, so let's save this first and let's see in this browser. So as you can see, the output as expected, school management is in H4 tag. So let me change it into H3 tag. Okay, and let's save it first and let's refresh. So as you can see, the school management is in H3 tag and our table is in center. Okay, so let's change some attributes of t8 tag. I will change its background color into yellow. Okay, let's save it first and let's see in the browser. So you can see that the headers background color has been changed. Okay, so let's change some other attributes. Let me add width of a table. So I will put width 50%. So 50% of our web page width will be covered by our table width. Let me add height also. So I will write height, but height is not included in table tag in HTML5, so I have to remove this line. Okay, so now it will accept height property. Okay, so as you can see, the height is 50% and width is also 50% of our table. So let's change some attributes. Let me change its background color into what I should write. I will write pink. Okay, and I will align center, so all the tags whichever in body t body will be in center. So as you can see, the background color has been changed and all are aligned in the center. Let me change h3 tag into h2 tag, so it will be more large, and you can add any attribute, any tag in this whichever you have learned. Okay, so in this I will change its background color, so I will change its color into green. Okay, so let me type green. Let's save this and see in the browser. So as you can see, a color has been changed. Okay, so let me type here light green, so it will be more clear for us. Let's use font tag in this name. Okay, so I will type font tag and I will put Vasu in font tag. So let's say add some attributes. Let me change its size into 5 and let me change its font into a Vardhana. Okay, and let save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. Let me make some change in our HTML code. So let's use bold tag and italic tag into horse. Okay, so I will write horse into bold and italic tag. So okay, and as you can see, the output as expected. Okay, horse is changed into bold and italic. Okay, so let's make it look more better. So I will change this color, background color of Vasu into light green, and I will also change its 10th background color into light green. So let's save this and let's see our table. So as you can see, the output as expected. I think it look better. Okay, so by this way you can practice this table tag and these all tags. Okay, you can add more tags into this code. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this. It is enough for today. So we will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.